Hey guys, just wanted to bring you another update on our dart. As you see, it is now about 90% wrapped. The hood is not getting wrapped at all. You can see that the front body kit, front bumper, as well as the back bumper and back body kit still need to be wrapped this weekend. We need to figure out whether we're going to try to wrap the mirrors or paint them black. I know I told you we were going to try to make some videos of how to do this, but to be completely honest, this took us over 30 hours of working on this car to get it to this point now, and most of the time I was by myself, so I couldn't figure out how to video it without making super long videos that would bore everyone. But I did want to bring in an update and show you what it looks like right now. We're going to redo this rear door here down the front edge. We stretched it a little too much, so we're going to go ahead and redo it just so that it's as close to perfect as possible. We managed to put it on with no air bubbles, no creases. Overall, really happy with the way it turned out, especially being the first time I've ever wrapped anything. As long as the front and rear bumper turn out okay, she will be a lot closer to being completed on the outside. Thank you.